everyone! Welcome to this video. Today, we are going to talk about the best way to learn English. If you are a beginner or someone who has been learning English for a while but still struggles, this video will help you. I will share the most effective methods to improve your English skills, including listening, speaking, reading, and writing. By the end of this video, you will know the best strategies to learn English faster and better. So let's get started. 1. Surround yourself with English. The best way to learn English is to surround yourself with the language. The more you hear, see, and use English in your daily life, the faster you will learn. Watch English movies and TV shows. Choose shows with subtitles first, then try without them. Listen to English music and podcasts. Songs and podcasts help you understand pronunciation and new words. Change your phone and computer language to English. This small step will help you get used to English words in daily life. 2. Practice speaking every day. Speaking is one of the most important skills when learning a language. Even if you are shy, practicing speaking every day will help you improve. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you are doing, thinking, or feeling. Find a speaking partner. You can talk with a friend, family member, or join online language exchange groups. Use language learning apps. Apps like HelloTalk or Tandem help you connect with native speakers. 3. Improve your listening skills. Listening is important because it helps you understand how English is spoken naturally. Watch English videos and news channels. Try to listen without reading subtitles. Repeat what you hear. If you hear a new phrase or sentence, say it out loud. Listen to audiobooks. Audiobooks help you improve both vocabulary and pronunciation. 4. Read as much as you can. Reading helps you learn new words and understand sentence structures. Read simple books. Start with children's books or short stories. Read English articles and blogs. Choose topics you enjoy. Use a dictionary. If you find a new word, look it up and write it down. 5. Write every day. Writing helps you remember new words and practice grammar. Keep a journal. Write about your daily activities and thoughts in English. Write social media posts in English. Share your thoughts in English on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Join online writing groups. Other learners can give you feedback on your writing. 6. Learn grammar in a simple way. Grammar is important, but you don't need to learn all the rules at once. Focus on basic grammar first. Learn simple tenses and sentence structures. Use grammar apps and websites. Websites like Grammarly or British Council can help you learn in an easy way. Practice, don't just memorize. Try using grammar rules in your speaking and writing. 7. Expand your vocabulary. A big vocabulary helps you express yourself better. Learn a few words every day. Don't try to learn too many at once. Use flashcards. Apps like Anki or Quizlet can help. Use new words and sentences. Try to make your own sentences with new words. 8. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Making mistakes is a natural part of learning a language. Don't worry about being perfect. Learn from your mistakes. If someone corrects you, remember it for next time. Be confident. Speak even if you are not sure. Confidence helps you learn faster. 9. Join an English learning community. Being part of a group makes learning more fun and effective. Join an English course. If possible, take an English class. Participate in online forums. Websites like Reddit, Quora, or Facebook groups can help you interact with other learners. Attend language meetups. If there are English-speaking groups in your city, join them. Conclusion. In this video, we talked about the best way to learn English. We discussed listening, speaking, reading, writing, and grammar. We also learned that making mistakes is normal, and joining an English community can help. Remember, the key to learning English is practice, patience, and consistency. Keep practicing every day, and you will see improvement. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.